AI is growing at a rate we simply cannot stop. It's reshaping industries, changing how businesses work, and yes, people will lose jobs if they don't adapt. But the exciting part? AI is also creating brand new opportunities, especially for people with no coding skills. The coding industry itself is being reshaped. No-code tools have made building apps easier than ever, and a completely new space has opened up, a space that's still untouched by most people. Over the last year, I've been learning these AI tools that require zero technical background, and now I've started earning from them. Just last month, I worked with 4 clients and made over $30K. And I want to be honest, it wasn't easy. It took me 1 whole year to reach this point because I started with no technical knowledge at all. But the truth is, anyone can do it with consistency. And now my goal is simple: to help my audience take what took me 1 year and compress it into 3 months. This brings me to the concept I want to share today: custom apps. If these kinds of videos interest you, show some love with a like and smash that subscribe button.
When we hear apps, we usually think about the big ones like Instagram, WhatsApp, Spotify, or even tools like Notion and ChatGPT that we use every day. And then there are subscription-based web apps we rely on for work and life. These are all called SaaS apps. But custom apps are different. These are small, personalized solutions built specifically for one person's or one business's requirement. It could be a small business owner who wants a custom dashboard to visualize his data, a person who wants all his emails, appointments, reminders, and tasks in one place, and someone who needs a special tool to automate their workflow. These apps are not for the mass market. They are built for specific needs, and that's exactly why they are powerful. Now I will show you some of the custom apps I have built myself, starting with the inventory management dashboard that I made for a client in UAE. This is the front-end part of our inventory dashboard. We built a system where when ingredients are running low, the owner gets notified instantly. And it can even reorder automatically, fully automated. For our front end, we chose to go with Lava as it is a no-code online platform that you can use without even having technical knowledge. And this is what our core feature, the reporting system, looks like in our front end. As you can see, the low stock reports will be shown in here, and we can reorder automatically with the workflow that I will be showing you later on. This is the backend of our application, which we have made using Superbase. These are the tables that we are using for this project, and all of the functionality that we see inside the application is possible because of this backend. These are all the policies we have implemented. Because due to security reasons, we need policies inside of our database. This is the workflow that makes our core functionality a reality. The schedule trigger triggers every day at 8 a.m. that gets all the data from the back end and loops over all the items which has low quantity, sends an email to the store owner. The store owner then can authenticate whether to get stock or not, and if he does approve the reorder request, we can then send the sales order to the supplier. As you can see, this is fully automated. Only human in the loop is the owner of the shop. Now let's take a look at the design fitter dashboard that I made for a client in Spain who has a clothing store. So this is our custom application. We made it for our client in Spain. The application's name is Vistela. How this application works is first of all, you upload the model's image and you upload the cloth in which the model should change into. And when you click on generate, the model will change into that cloth automatically. Let's try it out. First of all, I will upload the model's image and then I will upload the cloth. And now when I click on generate after a few seconds, you can see that the model has changed into the red dress. The front end of the application was made inside Lava, which is a no-code platform. You do not need to have any kind of coding experience to develop this front end. And as for our back end, we used Superbase. As for our core functionality of the application, which is basically editing those two images together, we have used N8N to make our own custom workflow. As you can see, we have Gemini node connected to it, some HTTP nodes connected to it to make sure that the data is being sent from Superbase to our workflow and back to Superbase and then to the front end. Those projects are some of our really recent projects. There are many more applications we have built, such as a Vision Complete project, which was done for a client who owns a construction company where he or she can upload the image into here and see their unfinished workspace finished into a theme of their choice. There are endless amount of possibilities is custom application. And the best part is, it is still an untapped market. Very few people know about this space. If you start now, you can easily get into the top layer because no technical skills are needed. AI is transforming the coding industry. No code tools handle most of the work. These apps are simpler than building apps for mass audiences. They only serve a small group of users, so you do not need a support team or a technical team. Learning these tools is the key. So that is the idea behind custom application. A new way to create real solutions, help people, and even build a business, all without needing a traditional coding background. If you want to learn more about this and speed up your journey, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.